Hi everyone, and welcome to this walkthrough of my Heidi Swap December album using the It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year photo book kit that you can find right now at Joann's stores, as well I have seen it also at scrapbook.com. It is an awesome little mini album that is perfect for documenting all your holiday photos, and I am so proud of myself that I actually got my December memories documented before the end of December. Go me, right? I think what is awesome about this album and why it came together so beautifully is because it is simple, easy, it's just full of pockets, there's no need for complication. It's just that quick little way to get your photos in a book, printed out, and ready to be enjoyed for all the years to come. And what is special about this album is that this year we actually took a family vacation to Disneyland and Palm Springs. So even though technically I didn't start this album December 1st, and it's by no means in chronological order, what I did and what worked for me and kind of took the pressure off is I just filled it with my most treasured memories of this month. And that way, there was no pressure to get photos every day or something done every day. It's just a compilation of all the moments that mattered to me the most and what made our December magical and meaningful for my family. So here we go. When you open it up, you see it is just full of, all the photo pockets. And these photos are about 2¼ inch wide by a little under 3½ inches tall. And again, it's an Instax album. It's sized for Instax photos, but of course if you don't have an Instax camera or printer, that's totally fine too. You can always just trim your photos down to size. But for this album, I used my Instax Share printer that I love. I use it all the time. So basically all I did was take the photos off my cell phone here that I took through our vacation, because this is primarily what I use to take the pictures. And then I just easily printed them using my Instax printer. So again, very easy, very fast, very quick, and we're good to go. So here you can see, I'll just kind of with the glare, this album also comes with cards. So when you get the card sheets, you simply just trim them apart and they fit perfectly into your pockets. So we'll just do a walkthrough. So that's us on the plane. When we got to Disney, we went to California Adventure first. And as always, I use my typecast, We Are Memory Keepers typecast, to type in some details. I love that tool. I use it all the time. I love the look. I love the type text. So if you are like me and love type text and don't have it yet, you might want to put the We Are Memory Keepers typecast on your list, because it is awesome. So here we go, more cards, more typecast, photos, again, just throughout our time at Disneyland. And I love this album because it fit our Disneyland tickets perfectly. So I just slipped those into the pockets and they'll be nice and protected and kept. Another fun technique that I used in this album, and to add some beautiful holographic rainbow touches, because who doesn't love holographic? It's all the rage. Is I used my pocket punch board from We Are Memory Keepers. I luckily had a piece of holographic basil paper on hand, so using this punch board I was able to create custom, I guess I will have to tape that, pulled a little too hard, custom sized pockets to fit into my pockets. And then as you can see, they can fit little cards, mementos, more photos. Actually, I like it without the tab. Maybe we'll just leave it off. So yeah, and they just stick right in here. Just slide them in. And again, using the pocket punch board. I did a demo on the Heidi Swap blog about how to use this punch board. It's super easy, so I can link that in my post. So more photos, more journaling, and I love how the iridescent pocket, you get the pocket on the one end and then it serves as a nice card on the back end. And again, more photos. I just love the Instax look, so cute. And on this page, I did a little something different. If you've seen alongside the album kit, there was also a card making kit. Here's part of it that Heidi Swapp also released. That is also available at Joann. I've also seen it at scrapbook.com. And essentially the kit is to make snow globe cards, but instead of making the cards, I used some of the fun bits that are included in the kit to embellish my album. So you can see along with the snow globe pieces, there's some fun trees, these cute little brush trees, so many cute die cuts. There's that wreath. Love so many cute pieces. There's also this ribbon. So it's a great way that if you are a card maker and you want to make cards, this kit is perfect, but it's also awesome that you can use all, you know, if there's some bits that you've never used or you didn't end up using for your cards, you can use them in your book as well. So we'll flip through, again, more pictures, and like I said, these aren't all the photos from the trip, but to me these were the ones that I wanted to include in the album, and it's okay to not include every picture, but these ones are just the ones that speak to me when I look through it, and it just takes me back to the trip, and yeah, I love it. And I just love this card I wrote. It is the little moments like these that make all the effort so worth it. Beyond grateful, never forget, my angels, remember always. Because let's be honest, a trip with little kids is not always the easiest. It took a lot of work, it cost a lot of money, but at the end of the day, we were so happy that we did it. And yeah, life is short. You gotta just do what you gotta do, and even though it may not always work out perfect, we had our moments, but at the end of the day, we are so happy that we took advantage and were able to enjoy this time together. So now I just have added a few of our pictures from when we drove down to Palm Springs to meet my brother. And again, just more journaling on the cards, more photos, another pocket. More pictures, another pocket, and oh, the tree fell off. And here we are back home. I just included pictures that were taken on Christmas Eve of my son and daughter, and another little pocket that I will probably add in some journaling to again, or a little note. I haven't done that yet. And then I included the Instax from Christmas Day that we took just outside. Quick, and you may recognize this. It's the most wonderful time of the year. This was a freebie that Heidi had on her blog during the Christmas, the weeks leading up to Christmas. I'll also link it in the post. And what I did is I just shrunk it, and then I ran it through my ink using holographic foil, used my circle punch, and just added it onto my picture. Love it. You can see the holographic. And then just a date stamp and this cute little brush tree. I'm probably just gonna have to hot glue that in. I added it into my album. So there you have it. A fun December keepsake of our Christmas this year. And yeah, it was such a special once-in-a-lifetime trip, and I'm so happy that I have this book to look back on and remember all the memories we shared. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, and thanks for checking it out. Bye.